presentation of my Capstone project. In my Capstone project, I was building a quantum safe application, meaning that it's an application that uses quantum safe encryption algorithms, opposed to, for example, the RSA encryption, which is breakable using Shor's algorithm. So, let me just give you a quick presentation. So here we'll start the server, and simultaneously I will start 3 clients, Alice, Bob, and Charlie. So what happens now is, while everything is booting up, the client's front end is written all in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the backend is written in Python. I was combining HTML, CSS, JavaScript with Python with a program called EAL, which makes it easy to expose those functions from Python to JavaScript and from JavaScript to Python. So now we see that the client windows are all booting up, all connected to the server with a quantum safe TLS connection as well, with quantum safe certificates. Now while we wait that they boot up, so they will basically all receive a unique UUID from the server when they first log in. And here we see Alice, here we see Bob, and here we should see Charlie in a second. Here we see Charlie. We see that everyone was assigned a unique UUID from the server on login. And now, for example, if Bob wants to chat with Charlie, everything that Bob needs is Charlie's UUID. So here we could copy that. Then we can add a contact and paste in Charlie's UUID. And then when we hit add, we see that the contact was added. So here we have Charlie. And what we can do now is write a message to Charlie. So here we see the message. And what happened is, as soon as Charlie was adding the contact, as soon as Bob was adding the contact of Charlie, Bob was receiving the public key from Charlie. And then with the public key, Bob was creating a shared secret and a ciphertext with a quantum safe Kyber algorithm. So now that Bob sent the message to Charlie, he sent the encrypted message and also sent the ciphertext as well as his public key. And with the public key and the ciphertext, Charlie can basically extract from the ciphertext the same shared secret that Bob uses, and then with the same shared secret, he can decrypt the message that Bob just sent. And of course, Charlie can now also send a message to Bob. And of course, Bob will receive the same message, also encrypted over the server and then decrypted on Bob's side. And then if we want to bring in a third contact, for example Alice, and Charlie wants to chat with Alice as well, we just need the UUID, add the contact, and here we see Alice. And then same play, we send Alice a message, and Alice sees the message from Charlie right here. So, and basically every single connection, so Charlie, Bob, and Charlie, Alice, every single connection has their own shared secret that they use to encrypt every single message that they send with each other. Now, what also happens is all the chat history is saved locally using a SQLite database, so the server doesn't save anything except for the name, the UUID,